Hello, it is your main man Tristan of the evening. Right now, I will show you part one of the assignment free for physics. So, as you can see right here, we got a vector variable for buoyancy. We got a vector variable for drag. We got one for weight. We also got some float vectors for drag coefficient, length. Hold on. I just had it in my head. Total volume, length, radius, and we got a vector variable for gravity acceleration. But what does the LD mean? Hold on. I forgot. So I set them all up in physics.cpp here. As you can see, we got the length, it's 1, the length of the log, if I remember correctly. We got, radius is like divided by 2.0. Excuse me. And I may be wrong on that, but I'll change that later. I can fix that in a bit. For gravity acceleration, since, we're mostly dealing with the y-axis right here, I just put negative 9.8 in the y column. And as you can see, you could see all of my things over here. Okay, let's move on to physics.h. I added the apply forces static void constructor. I will use that in here. This is my part 1 code, and oh yes, I just remembered. LD means liquid density. I had it on the tip of my tongue, but alright, so the F is force. The first one is supposed to be force weight equals body mass times body gravity acceleration. Wait, let me just split it apart quickly so it's easier on the viewer's eyes a little bit. Sorry about all the small discourse going on. Alright, so we got force drag equals drag coefficient times linear velocity. So I put that in there, and for the buoyancy equals liquid density times gravity acceleration times total volume. That VV will be used for later, but we will focus on that in the next part. But for now, and then I created a temporary variable, so it's like force 1, I'll just call it force 1, and then I put all of that, all the drag, buoyancy, weight into force 1, and then I just put it in here so it could be used for later. Alright, I think that's it for part 1, so see ya.